Hey everyone, let us check out these amazing full blackout curtains for your bedroom or living room. Crafted from a premium linen blended fabric, these stylish panels feel luxurious and sturdy. They feature a high-quality lining that blocks out all sunlight to give you complete darkness. The thermal insulated design keeps your room cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Setting them up is a breeze with the sleek grommet top that slides smoothly onto any rod. You can easily machine wash them in cold water on a gentle cycle. Transform your home decor with this practical and beautiful window treatment today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.